The database I will be presenting is Health Source Consumer Edition, accessible through the New Jersey State Library and the JerseyClicks feature. I chose it because I have little experience with this website and database, and often people in public librarianships seek out health information. This database is available to libraries and librarians and can be purchased as part of a package or bundle through the aggregator vendor EBSCO. Content is available in both text and bibliographic formats, and this covers the subject areas of medicine and health sciences. There are about 80 consumer health magazines, 100 reference books, and updated pamphlets in the database. New Jersey residents and library patrons can access this database through JerseyClicks with a New Jersey library card or through their local library or consortium. Residents outside of New Jersey can purchase an individual subscription for about $35 a month. Once accessing the search page, there will be a dashboard available on the left-hand side. The features allow for an individual to create project folders, save searches, or save search items. A user can also look back at their search history and view their recent activity. One can also subscribe to alerts either by journal preference or subject area. The research features link the user to a choice of a basic or advanced search. And there is an access to a help section, and the help section includes features such as a quick start guide, how-to search section, tips on navigating the dashboard, and tools, ebook guides, and support with the database. There is also a section that has publication authority, which has information on the publisher of choice, and also a subject authority. The search bar comes in two options, basic and advanced. The basic search has a toggle to use natural language, and if that is your preference. When using the advanced search, there are Boolean features that allow for sections or as well as different fields. So under the advanced search format, there are additional options that allow for filters related to the content preferences, publication type, date of release, and number of pages. There's also an option for search options where you can choose proximity operators, facets or search terms, smart text features, and a natural language search. There's also options for expanders or related facets and subjects available. Okay, let's see if we can put it all together in a video. So here we are at the New Jersey State Library website with JerseyClicks, and we're on the current dashboard for searching the Health Source Consumer Education. This database was selected previously. You have the option to choose amongst different databases, and as you can see, it was selected here. And on the dashboard, you'll want to expand the arrow, and it shows some features that you have. You can save projects, which you do need a sign-in to your EBSCO account, and you can also save information or past searches. It gives you an opportunity to look at some recent activity. I'd like to show you some of the things that I have searched before, some of the features that are available. So here you can see that on one search I looked for lower cholesterol with diet. It shows you what filters I used, and also if you click on the menu of that search, you can look at some of the search details into greater depth. So it'll show exactly what facets or words I used. It will show the results, show all the feature terms, search terms, what expanders were applied, the interface, and again, the database. So with that, we go back to the dashboard by clicking out. It shows any holds or checkouts that we may have had, and also any alerts. So you can subscribe to get alerts related to specific journals of your preference, or you can get alerts based on topics. So you would put in cholesterol if that was an area of interest. Some additional research tools available. You can access a new search through here. Also, there is a help section where you can pretty much look for any kind of information related to the search and browsing experience, any help, how to use operators, wildcards, and field codes, how to use the dashboard in greater depth, and a bunch of other tools such as saving articles and also ebooks available for viewing. And then we also have a feature for publication authority where you can check what kind of sources you have available and some information about them. So I'll choose AHA News, and you can see that you can receive PDF, HTML, and full text. We'll click on that just so that you can see it gives you all the issues and articles, as well as it clarifies the publisher information. You also have bibliographic records available from a certain time frame, as well as full text articles, and also a link to the publisher. You can also choose, rather than by publication, you can go through a subject authority, which is ranked by relevance or terms. Okay, so we'll just click on one of the subjects. So let's say we go on ABOM and we click on, you can see that there is some controlled vocabulary embedded in here. And as you click on that, you can see additional terminology, broader terms, narrower terms, and related terms. So that's a nice way to access the controlled vocabulary. So we'll go back to a new search and we'll look at some of the search features. Here you have a basic search bar. You can toggle for natural language search if that's your preference, or you can go on an advanced search page. The advanced search page has embedded Boolean operators, also choices for fields. Oh, with the Boolean operators you can choose and or not, and with the all fields you can choose. I like that it has the definition of the field as well as the abbreviation for the field. You also have various filters available to you that limit your text in terms of narrowing your results on publication, date preferences, and additional search options, which can help you with proximity, or how close your facets or words are and how they should be in relation to each other, as well as you can adjust the language and term preferences, and also expand on variations of the facets. I'll just go back to show you a new search. We'll do a quick search. We'll use advanced settings and we'll add in cholesterol. Let's see, they give you some controlled vocabulary or suggestions here. Let's say diet, and we can choose, diet and nutrition, and you can also choose weight loss, let's say. And let's say we'll go into subject terms as well as abstract or author, and we'll want full text, and let's go for the past 12 months and create a search. And something needs to be done again, but you can play around with the features and we'll figure that out, but that's up to you, and enjoy your exploration. And thank you for viewing my presentation. I hope you find it helpful, and I'll also include a link for the tutorial video.